in that way. Or it can be in terms of the way in which you think about the probabilities, and if you use the kind of stakeholder perceptions to help calculate the probabilities that certain things will be in certain states.
So if I understand it correctly, you're actually opening up that stakeholders should be allowed to describe their own reality. I mean, also in terms of the nodes. It gets complicated, I would guess, because then perhaps you'll choose the one that arrives at sustainability.
It's a kind of iteration process in terms of, so we talked with another group about the fact that you can use one that you have developed yourself as experts as the basis for the ones that you build with your stakeholders, or you might just start from scratch with your stakeholders. But that's where defining the boundary conditions and the aim and objectives of what you're doing is really key at the start in order to build the networks. And you never get to the kind of perfect network after the first go, and it takes a little bit of iteration and maybe follow up with some key stakeholders, talking to them about helping you to understand the relationships within the systems. So, okay, right, I have a last slide to show, and then...
Right, so just a minute or two to kind of sum things up. I just wanted to say thank you to all of you for being so involved in this process over these last few hours. I think hopefully it's been a useful experience for you, because I think, you know, one of the best ways to kind of understand how these things might work and how you might do these things with stakeholders is to have a go at doing them yourself.